get ready with me for date night. I feel like every time I sit down to do my makeup, I always have this like feeling of, do I want to do like this glam amazing look, or do I want to just do a simple look? I literally can never decide. So we are going to Bavette's for dinner. If you know anything about Bavette's, it is extremely freaking hard to get a reservation there that's at a nice time on a weekend, and we still couldn't manage to get a Saturday reservation for like a 5 or 6. It's impossible. So Bavette's is actually owned by the owners that own Guilt Bar and Chico Mio. And Chico Mio and Guilt Bar I've been to. Amazing, amazing food, worth every single penny, worth every single thing. Guilt Bar I would rate like an 8.8 out of 10. But Chico Mio is 10 out of 10 every single time. If you can get a reservation there, or even just walk in and sit at the bar, like not at the bar, but like by the window, if you know what I mean, it is worth every single penny. The food is so fantastic. So I have very, very high hopes for Bavette's. I've never been. I'm so excited. It is downpouring right now, so that's extremely fun. However, it is like the first day of fall. It is such nice weather. It's a little humid, of course, Chicago, but I'm super excited to be wearing outfits. God bless. I'm so over the sundresses. I'm so over all of this like nonsense. I can't. I want a nice sweater. I want a cardigan. I want a nice sock boot. I want all of it. I'm just so over the dresses, the shorts, the tanks. Like, get it out of here. Get it out of my face. I'm good, thank you. Back on date nights though, I feel like date nights are so important for a relationship. I really don't understand how some people don't do date nights. I feel like date nights really strengthen your relationship, and I feel like especially trying new restaurants and stuff, I don't know, it just gives it the new experience that you both can enjoy, and it's not like mundane. I also do understand that a lot of people don't like doing like dinner dates. That's just not their like thing. For me personally, I'm a huge foodie, so to me it's like a date night at a new restaurant is everything. I do wonder what other people do for dates. I don't know, I feel like there's really not that much you can do. Of course, I love a new experience, so if you like do something cool for date nights, let me know. I always like doing experiences. I literally love trying anything. Who remembers this palette? We forgot about her, but she is a mighty, mighty palette. Like, she's so good. They need to start doing more palettes like this again, because these were really iconic. I mean, these were everything. These were everything. I'm genuinely doing whatever right now. I have zero game plan. Wherever God leads me, that's where I'm going, okay? He wanted me to do this, that's what I'm doing. Back to Chico Mio though, I genuinely don't know how that place doesn't have a Michelin star. I know that they were like, they're on the recommended list of a worthy Michelin star or something like that. There's a specific word that they use, but I mean, the food there slaps so hard. Okay, first of all, I'm not a huge Italian food person. Like, I'm just not. But I mean, that place is crazy, insanely good. So I have such high hopes for Bavette's. Like, and I am a steak person, so I am hoping it's everything I want it to be and more. Of course, the finishing touch. And we're ready to go. This look. I'm super excited for my date night. I'm super excited to try Bavette's. Hey.